Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please subscribe, like and share. And for returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. You guys have been so amazing. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how I was able to tie this gele, and here with me today is my friend. He was super excited about this video. I bet you guys believe me. So the rule for this gele today is 50-50. The both hands of your gele has to be equal. So you just have to fold the edges of your gele and then place it on top his head from the back towards the front, and that is what I did. And then after doing that, you want to make sure that you fold the both hands of your gele and then knot it at the front of his head. But while knotting this, you have to make sure that you tell your client or your model to hold the gele on their ears, just because you do not want the gele to unravel. So at this point, guys, I'm going to hold one hand of my gele, the 50 part of my gele. I'm going to hold one of them, and I'm just going to place my hand at the middle of the hand that I'm holding, and then I'm going to form pleats so that it can be able to help me form a bow there. So this gele is very simple. It's so easy if you're able to follow these simple steps that I'm showing you guys today. So after doing that, I'm going to make use of this 50 part of my gele that has been untouched. I'm going to just place it on top the first 50 part of my gele that I want to use to form a bow, so that it stays there and it doesn't unravel. This 50 part of my gele is going to support the first one so that it gives me a bow like shape. So I'm just going to place it on top the bow that I am trying to form. I'm just going to take it round the middle of his head. I'm going to take it 2 times. And when you're done, if you're sure that your bow is secured and the gele is firm on your model's head, you can then take the remaining part of the gele to the back. And then take the remaining part of the gele to the back and pin it. This gele, like I said, is not difficult. It's as simple as ABC. You just have to follow these simple steps that I'm showing you guys today. And so guys, if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele at all, please do that so that you will definitely know how to tie, because I have most of the trending geles on my channel. If you want to learn how to tie on yourself, you can watch that on my channel. And if you also want to learn how to tie on someone, you can also watch it on my channel. So guys, at this point, I'm just arranging my bow properly so that it comes out the way that I want it to. So I'm just going to keep adjusting and adjusting until I feel comfortable, until I feel like it's pretty enough and it's good to go, and until I feel also that it's very beautiful on this head. So I'll just keep adjusting and adjusting. And I also want to say, guys, that you do not get this at a go. That is why I'm adjusting and adjusting the gele. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I really wanted to do something different today. That is why I decided to tie this gele on a guy. I just wanted to do something different from what I've been doing before. And like I said, he was super excited. I guess you can see from the video. Here is what the back of the gele should look like. I love you guys so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Please subscribe, like and share. I love you all. Bye bye.